Today I'm going to show you how to add carpet in stairs tread and riser in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File. And open your second image. Press Ctrl A to select all. Go to Edit. And choose Copy. Let's come back to our image. Create a new layer. Double-click on this, and rename it Pattern Image. Now go to Filter. And choose the vanishing point. This time I will create a grid that corresponds to each face of this stair riser and stair tread. So let's select this plane tool, or press C on your keyboard. Then create a grid that matches the stair riser perspective. Now press C on your keyboard to open your plane tool. And then make another grid that matches from the perspective of this stair tread. Now let's repeat the same process, until it places the grid every perspective of the stair riser and stair thread. Now when you're finished, you will see here that all the corners of this lines or grid are not equal, and you will also see that there are different colors. So all we have to do now is to fix this. Just click on any of these grids to fix each corner. So I'm going to click on this very first grid, and then drag these points at each corner of the stair riser and tread. Just repeat the same process with the remaining grid, until you equalize and have it perfectly matched of the perspective of the stairs tread and riser. Now when you fixed its forbidden corner, press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste the pattern you copied earlier. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then you can scale and drag the pattern layer into position. And all you need to do is scale the pattern, by dragging on the handles. To duplicate the design layer, hold the Alt key on the keyboard, and drag it. Then scale the pattern by dragging on the handles. Now drag to duplicate it, and just repeat the same process for the remaining stair riser and stair tread. Hit Enter when you're finished. Now change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider, and drag it to the left. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. We'll name it Bright Areas. And change the blending mode to screen. Go back to FX icon and blending options. Now let's return this white slider to normal. Then hold the Alt key to split the black slider, and drag it to the right. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.